You've built the skills, the brand, and the offer. Now it's time to amplify your reach. Paid ads can bring in highly targeted leads fast if you run them the right way. In this lesson, I'll walk you through how to plan, launch, and optimize simple, effective ad campaigns that attract quality clients for your web design services without wasting budget. Step 1. Get clear on your offer. Before you run any ad, you need to be super clear about what you're promoting. Options: a free consultation, a lead magnet, like a website audit checklist, a done-for-you website package, a niche service like landing pages for coaches. Choose one clear call to action. Simplicity converts. Step 2. Pick the right platform. Where are your ideal clients hanging out? Facebook and Instagram ads. Great for local businesses, coaches, or creatives. Use visual content and testimonials. Google search ads. High intent. Target people searching website designer near me or affordable web design. LinkedIn ads. Higher cost, but great for targeting agencies or B2B clients. YouTube or display ads. More advanced, best when paired with retargeting. Start small. Pick one platform and master it before expanding. Step 3. Build a simple funnel. An ad alone won't land you clients. You need a clear next step. Example funnel. 1 ad promotes free strategy call. 2 click to landing page. Short form collects contact info. 4. Thank you page confirms and invites to calendar. Or 1 ad promotes free audit PDF. 2 lead ops in. 3. Follow-up emails nurture and invite to book a call. Keep it smooth, short, and mobile-friendly. Step 4. Write conversion-friendly ad copy. Here's a simple formula. Call out your audience or their problem. Value. Share how your service helps. Action. Tell them exactly what to do next. Example: still stuck with a website that doesn't convert? I help small businesses design sites that attract, impress, and convert fast. Book a free 15-minute strategy call today. Use clear conversational language. Avoid jargon. Step 5. Use compelling visuals. Your image or video is the first thing people notice. Ideas: before and after screenshots of websites. A short Loom-style walkthrough of a recent project. A quote or stat about website ROI. A quick selfie video inviting people to book. You don't need polished production, just authenticity and clarity. Step 6. Test, track, and tweak. Run your first campaign with a small budget. $5 to $10 per day is fine. Track. Click-through rate. Cost per lead. Conversion rate on your landing page. What ads or audiences are performing best? Test one thing at a time. Headline, image, audience. Pause what's not working. Scale what is. Paid ads are like fuel. They can accelerate your business if the engine, your offer, and process is ready. Keep it simple, stay focused, and track your numbers. In the final lesson, we'll bring everything together with your long-term business vision so you can grow your studio or agency with clarity, confidence, and purpose.